miniature golf for you. The artist of the last song. Let's see how well you guys are paying attention out there. All these beautiful cars. All right, my winner walks, Brad Paisley. I'm gonna miss her. It's called the fishing song. Happy Land, Thunder 104.5 and 95.9. Pleasure to be with you guys. Don't forget DJ Norm, DJ Debbie over here. We got our friends from Hawaiian Shape Ice. I said ice. That's why you don't eat and talk at the same time.
You're okay. You can be in the video. Don't run away. I'm making YouTube famous. Got it?
Uh-huh.
Okay. You still want to be in your way.
Stay
cool trophies for those of you that ride the go-karts over there. So come on over here and take your whirl at Family Fun Cars. Remember, from ages 3 all the way up to 93. You can go out there and do some fun laps and drive your very own vehicle. So go out there and take a ride in it. Come over here to see me, get your ticket. Make sure you put the ticket in the drawing and you can be awarded one of these very cool trophies. So not only the cars are winning today, you are too. I'm Kathy Lynn from Thunder 104.5 and 95.9. Welcome to the 5th annual car show for the Wounded Warriors here at the Presidential Wilderness Resort.